Is your party or special event missing that key piece to make it memorable and quite amazing? Well, let me, Jeff the Magician, add that piece to your event that will make it a true masterpiece. I am Jeff the Magician. Let me be the first to welcome you to Jeff's world of magic. One card is defying gravity. Nothing holding him here, nothing holding him here, floating in midair. And watch this, 1, 2, 3. Hey, I am Jeff Olds, AKA Jeff the Magician, Mid-Michigan's only full-time professional magician. And boy, do I love what I do. I started with seeing magic shows when I was about 5, 6 years old. The first one I saw was for my sister's birthday party in Flint, Michigan. And since then, I've had a passion that has never gone out.
Can I look at it?
Yes, of course. June 16th, are you kidding me? My degree in psychology from Michigan taught me how to understand children, understand adults, and really key and cater my magic to exactly what they are looking for to entertain them at the highest level. If you want to add some magic to your party, hire Jeff the Magician. I am very, very versatile. I can do close-up magic or walk-around magic or strolling magic. And basically, I'm right in front of a table or a group of people, right in their faces, showing them very intimate magic, like card tricks and coin tricks, but really the most amazing stuff because the magic happens right in their hands. You'll see me put a cigarette through a quarter or read someone's mind and know exactly what date or playing card they are just thinking of. It is absolutely mind-boggling, and you have to see it to believe it. The one card by magic that I knew. The thing that really excites me, that makes me passionate about the art of magic, is what we call mentalism. Knowing what's going to happen before it actually does happen, and being able to prove it to an audience I've never met before. Danica, what card do you have? My grandfather Sid said it was the 10 of hearts. 2, 3. It actually turned in to John Lennon. I do children's mentalism. I don't use the word mentalism, but I show them that I knew what animal they would pick beforehand, or I knew what color or shape, and there's no way I could have known that. At restaurants, which I do close-up restaurants all over town every week, I'm always proving I knew what card they would pick before they even chose it. Because you said the 10 of clubs, and I knew that because that's the one that says Fazoli's. The one card I knew they would be at. I found him right here at Fazoli's. So, and wait till you see the reactions of when I get it right. Will you pull out that card?
Oh my gosh.
It was exactly the ace of diamonds, the one card I knew she would name. And I do get it right every time. That's exactly the card I knew she would pick. The 4 of hearts. Amazing predictions, clairvoyance of the future, and absolutely astounding entertainment, only from Jeff the Magician. When it comes to my stage shows, I can do an audience of 10 or an audience of 5,000 and anywhere in between. One of the reasons I am very successful is my ability to cater my magic shows and my stage performances to exactly not just my audience, but perhaps the reason they are celebrating. It is Johnny's 5th birthday, it is Mary's 100th birthday, and anywhere in between. Let's give it up for Emmett and a big happy birthday. That is magic. I have shows that are meant just for Christmas shows. My Christmas parties are very, very magical, and I do them all December long, and they're very memorable. I also have special shows for the Jewish holidays, such as Hanukkah and Passover, to make those parties and those holidays extremely magical as well. When it comes to school shows, I am the only one who has full-time school shows. I have a show I developed myself called Reading is Magic. I also have a show called Math Magic. When math and magic are tied together, math becomes extremely magical and a lot of fun. I have a show about the entire curriculum of a school day. How magical is a school day that teachers love when Jeff the Magician is talking about doing well in school and preparing the best they can with the help of magic.
I hired Jeff the Magician for my 8-year-old son's birthday party, and it went so well that I then hired him for a corporate meeting we had a couple months later. And I can tell you that whether it's children or whether it's adults, this guy does not cease to amaze.
Nice job there, that was cool. So remember, when you want to add magic to your party, hire Jeff the Magician. I will add magic that you will never forget, guaranteed. Just look at these reactions to see what I'm talking about. Her lucky final call will be red.
How did you do that?
Give her a round of applause. You may keep that. Look, does that card look familiar? Look, it's not attached to the drink. It's still coming up. Hey, every page now. You colored every single page. I don't know how you did that. Now, wait, watch. Ah!
Good, that's the one I had. The Queen of Spades by Magic. So.
Ladies and gentlemen, no matter how impossible life seems, if you continue to keep yourself in balance, figuratively, emotionally, and literally, if we provide that balance within ourselves, anything we want to achieve becomes possible. All you need in life is a little bit of balance, and you always get that with Jeff the Magician. Thank you very much.